Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And boy, do I have a terrific airwick deal for you. Now, I know everyone's been talking about the big $6.50 off coupon and coupons.com, and they've been using it everywhere. The Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Walmart, CVS. Well, I've used it at the dollar store. Now, I did make my purchase a few days ago, but I wanted to make sure that it did go through and that the overage was confirmed before I posted it, because I don't want to send you guys on a rat race trying to get this overage. So let me show you step by step what I did. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you download coupons.com app. You do not want to print the coupon out. If you print the coupon out, you will not get the overage. And I don't know if the cashier is going to take it because it's such a high value coupon. So the first thing you do is go to your Play Store or Google app, or I don't know what it's called on iPhone because I'm not an iPhone user. I guess your Apple Store. And you want to download coupons.com. I know the coupon is still there because someone that I know just downloaded it this morning. It's been there for about a week, but I know it is still there for you to clip. So download coupons.com, clip the airwick coupon that is $6.50 off of 2. Now, after you do that, then run to the dollar store and get these single airwick refills. Now, we all know that prices have gone up at the dollar store, so yours might be $1.25. As you can see, mine were just $1. So whether it's $1 or $1.25, it's still going to be a great deal for you. So you want to purchase these. You can either get the lavender scent here, which is the essential oils, lavender and chamomile, or you can get the vanilla and pink papaya. Again, they're either $1 or $1.25. I'm going to buy $1 because that's what my stores were. So I paid the $2. You know, we don't count tax. So I paid the $2, and then I scanned my receipt into coupons.com. Now, when you scan your receipt into coupons.com, the Dollar Tree is not a store that you can choose from. So you're going to have to hit other store. Even though you search Dollar Tree, it's still not going to come up. So you're going to hit other store. Then you're going to scan the barcode on each one and then take a picture of your receipt. What's going to happen is it's going to say processing. Now I purchased mine on 3/15, and you see it, today's date is 3/18. So it took 3 days for me to get my money back. Now normally I usually get my money back from coupons.com within 24 hours. But I think this took so long just because the Dollar Tree is not listed as a retailer. But I did get my money back. And as you can see, here is proof. Here is where I got my $6.50 back. So guys, this was a $4.50 money maker for me. So if they are $1.25 at your store, then it'll be a $4 money maker for you. Guys, I'd say that's a great deal. But again, warning, this only works if you upload it to coupons.com. It will not work. You will not get overage if you print the coupon out and take it to the store. Dollar Tree does not do overage. You must submit to coupons.com. So let me know below if you've done this deal at Dollar Tree. And let me know what cents you got and how long it took for you to get your overage. Like I said, I did mine on the 15th, and I got mine back this morning. So a little over 48 hours it took, but I was fine with that because I got 2 free refills and I got $4. And with coupons.com, for those of you that are not familiar with coupons.com, you can have the money put into your PayPal account, or you can have it deposited right into your checking account. I always have it deposited into my PayPal account because all I do is recycle my money over and over again for couponing. So, as always, I thank you guys for watching my video. Comment below. Let me know how you like it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And until the next time, keep on saving.